Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you guys how to reinstall a fresh copy of Windows 7. So let's get into the video. First, boot the PC from the installation disk or from a bootable pen drive. Then wait for until it shows this screen. Then click on Next. Click on Install. And wait for it load this screen. Now here, if you are reinstalling Windows 7 in an activated PC, then choose OEM, if not choose STD. Then click on Next. Then accept the license terms and click on Next again. Click on Custom. Now choose the hard drive or the partition in which you want to install Windows 7. After that, click on Next. Now wait until it finishes the installation. Now enter your name. If you want, set a password for the PC. Next, set the time and date. That's it guys, now you have installed Windows 7 in your PC. Like, share and subscribe the channel if you like the video. And thanks for watching.